we have Bidisha with us, who is amazing actress and also an entrepreneur. Bidisha, let me ask you that what are along with the acting, what are the other things that you do? I've seen you in the Facebook, but you can also discuss here.
Well, I try to dabble in everything that is creative. So I'm into writing and painting, and recently I started home baking. So I have gluten-free products that I delve into, and just sell it all over Mumbai right now, deliver it there under the name Bees Cookies and more. So that's about it. I write poetry as well. I'm dabbling in that as well, working on my poem books, one Hindi and one English. So I have a lot of collection of poems. So I'm being very creative right now.
Thank you, Vidisha. She is amazing personality and she has got so much talent. I can't tell you. Thank you so much. So मेरे साथ है Dr. Anil Kumar Garg, who is the international motivational speaker and my sales guru. मेरे साथ 5 साल से तो खैर वी में सपोर्टर है ही, लेकिन आज 26 साल पहले उन्होंने मुझे फर्स्ट MBA में सेल्स की पार्ट पढ़ाई थी. He is my guru, he is my sir and my motivation and my inspiration. Sir, कुछ तो बोलिए.
Chetali, I think you deserve a lot of appreciation from me. I have seen your journey. You had a struggle in your initial phases, and how you crossed those hurdles, established this organization. I think around 5-6 years back,
5 years.
when you had around 8 or 10 members.
Yes.
And when you started, you called me also, and I told you, Chetali, you will definitely grow. And I feel proud to hear that now you have around 10,000 members.
Thank you.
And we is not only in India, we is, expanding in other countries also. So my dear, I really love you, I'm proud of you, and I bless you that you grow more and more and you fulfill all your dreams.
Thank you so much, sir. We have Dr. Shrikant over here. Mr. Shrikant is from Geo Academy. I would really like to know about how you can support B members and E4BM members with your knowledge and your expertise.
So I think I shared this with you earlier. That was a very noble cause, and I mentor a lot of women leaders who are already part of Geo and work with them to ensure that they're able to overcome the hurdles they face during their careers. So I think I can contribute to some extent. I don't know how much value I'll bring, but if there's any kind of mentorship that is required when it comes to training or telling them how to weave their way through the hurdles they face in their corporate or professional lives, I think I'll be of a lot of help to them trying to get that together for them.
Thank you, sir. And actually, we have a upcoming business conclave. Definitely, we would like to invite you
My pleasure.
and mentor our members.
Definitely.
Thank you
My
so much.
pleasure.
आज हमारे साथ है पवन जी, पवन चोपड़ा जी. ही इज एन एक्टर एंड ही इज डूइंग बहुत सारे मूवीज में इन्होंने कर चुके हैं. आई एम वन ऑफ द फैन ऑफ हिज. पवन जी जरा बताइए ना अभी नेक्स्ट प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में.
अच्छा, नेक्स्ट प्रोजेक्ट अभी फिल्म आने वाली है, बड़े मियाँ छोटे मियाँ. देन देर इज योद्धा, धर्मा प्रोडक्शंस, एंड देर इज अ स्मॉल फिल्म विद अनुपम खेर. इट्स यशराज प्रोडक्शन. और आई एम डूइंग अ वेब शो कॉल्ड फ्रीडम एट मिडनाइट, निखिल अडवाणी का. देन आई हैव अ तेलुगु फिल्म कॉल्ड मिराय. There's a lot of more work. Thank you. I have to remember like what work I'm doing.
And Pavan ji, thank you so much for coming in today, and you are helping, and you can associate with a lot of women entrepreneurs and men businessmen.
That's why I came. Like women entrepreneurs, it makes me like everybody has to do something. It's very inspiring also. तो मैं वही था, मैंने कहा आके आपसे पूछता हूँ how is it working, how it is going. इसीलिए मैं आया भी इसीलिए.
Thank you, Pavan ji. Hi, this is Chetali from V, and today we have Meenakshi De, who is CSR head of Everest Industries, and she is my best friend, lovely friend since so many years, and I would like her to talk about our association.
I think first and foremost, Chetali, I'll commend you on the work that you have done for the last 4-5 years, and it is so good to see that she has come to this level where she has got this 9,000 plus women entrepreneurs across India and abroad, where they're associated with her, they're working with her, and we basically has gone that extra mile to help achieve these women entrepreneurs giving them a platform, giving them a position, giving them that network through which they can not only build up their business but also their confidence, their self-esteem. And for that I think I'll congratulate Choitali because she has really worked hard to where she is today. Congratulations Choitali, I'm so proud of you.
Thank you so much. Thanks a lot for your support. So आज मैं यहाँ पे हूँ आई एम द फाउंडर ऑफ वुमेन एंटरप्रेन्योर्स एनक्लेव और हमारे साथ हमारे सारे ओल्डेस्ट मेंबर्स रुचि श्रीवास्तव एंड सुष्मिता श्रीवास्तव हमारे वी के ऑफिशियल लॉन्चिंग के पहले से हमारे साथ में हैं और ये हमारे रॉयल मेंबर्स भी हैं. So I would like to introduce Ruchi Srivastava, who is founder of Vedi Products. I'm using her all products, you know, Vedi के जितने भी, you know, face wash हो गया मेरा cream हो गया. I'm using all Vedi products and she is founder of Vedi Ayurvedic Beauty Products. Vedi के बारे में और V के बारे में हमारे एसोसिएशन के बारे में जरा बोलिए.
वी के बारे में क्या बोलूँ, जितना बोलूँ उतना ही कम है. मैं 2019 से हूँ और मेरा जितना वेदी का प्रोग्रेस हुआ है वी में उतना मेरे ख्याल से कहीं भी इतना नहीं मिला मुझे. और वी के पास ज्वाइन होने के बाद तो मतलब डे बाय डे मैंने तरक्की करी है, काफ़ी अच्छा रहा. स्पेशली चैताली बहुत सपोर्टिव, बहुत अच्छे हैं. थैंक यू.
थैंक यू रुचि. और मेरे साथ है सुष्मिता श्रीवास्तव, फाउंडर ऑफ
ग्लोबल चस्का.
यस, ग्लोबल चस्का इनका मल्टी क्यूसाइन रेस्टोरेंट जो है महाबलेश्वर में है, पंचगनी में, पूना में है, आंबे वैली, लोनावला. एंड शी इज विथ वी बिफोर ऑफिशियल लॉन्च ऑफ वी 2018 जैन से हमारे साथ जुड़ी हुई है. सुष्मिता जरा बताइए.
वी जैसे ग्रो कर रहे हैं उसके साथ साथ ग्लोबल चस्का भी ग्रो कर रहे हैं. दैट्स इट.
मैं ज़रूर कहूँगी आप लोग है ना ग्लोबल जिसका ज़रूर जाइए. एम्बे वैली में है, लोनावला में है, पंचगनी में, और खाना इज जस्ट ऑसम. यू मस्ट विजिट देयर. थैंक यू. मेरे साथ तनया डेका फ्रॉम इंस्केप आर्किटेक्चर. शी इज अवर न्यू वी मेंबर. से तनया बताइए आपके प्रोडक्ट्स, आपके सर्विसेज के बारे में.
First of all, I would like to thank Chaitali ji for giving this wonderful platform. And मैंने बहुत अभी recently join किया है. And I'm really, you know, it is a very great support. So about my firm name is Inscape Architects and Associates. Kharghar में है, Navi Mumbai. And we do all kinds of architecture, interior and project management projects. So kindly please contact us for any kind of services required. Thank you so much. Thank you Chaitali ji and we.
Thank you. Today I have Jane Rodrigues, जो मेरी बहुत बड़ी motivational inspiration. She is my inspiration. She has been in V from the day one. हमारा V का launch 2018 में हुआ था and Jane is associated V from before that. Thank you Jane for all your support and if you can share your experiences with me.
I've really enjoyed being a member of V because we also have Chaitali with us. She takes our calls day and night. Anytime we need any help, we call her. She immediately accepts our calls. She advises us. She's always there with us. And this is the first business group where I'm happy that the person who's the founder keeps taking our calls, motivating us, keeps organizing all these programs where we can meet fellow business persons. Thank you, Chaitali, very much.
Thank you, Jane. Thanks a lot for being with us.